Bishalgarh Police achieved a significant success in their ongoing drive against illegal liquid trade, recovering a large quantity of 260 bottles foreign-made liquid worth more than 50,000 rupees hidden underneath the ground from a house in the Office Tilla area on Thursday afternoon. The operation was conducted based on a secret tip-off concerning the illegal activities of local liquid peddler Jibon Shil. The raid was led by Assistant Sub-Inspector Moro Chakrabarti of Bishalgarh Police Station along with other police ATS personnel. Upon the arrival of the police team at Jibon Shil's residence, the accused managed to sense the police presence and fled from the house. Despite the escape of the main suspect, the police proceeded with a search and made a major discovery. ASI Moro Chakrabarti stated, acting on confidential information, they raided Jibon Shil's house today and discovered a huge quantity of foreign-made liquor hidden underneath the ground behind his house. A total of 260 bottles of various brands were recovered. The recovered illicit liquor has an estimated market value exceeding Rs 50,000.
খবরটা আসার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমরা টিএসএল নিয়ে যাই পুলিশ টিএসএল নিয়ে যাওয়ার করার পরে বাড়ি ফসল নেতার পক্ষ থেকে লোকমুখগুলো লুকানো অবস্থা ছিল মাটির নিস্তার লোকমুখগুলো আমরা উদ্ধার করে নিয়ে আসি ভেরিয়াস টাইপ ছিল 260 বোতল মোটামুটি অনুমানি বাজার মূল্যটা তো আমার ঠিক জানা নেই অত অ্যাপ্রক্স 50,000 আপ জীবন শীল দেখো বাবা আইনের ব্যবস্থা নেওয়া।
Police confirmed that Jibon Shil had been running this illegal liquid business from his residence for a long time. ASI Chakravarti stated that legal action would be taken against the house owner Jibon Shil under the relevant sections of the law. Reported by Jibon from Bishalgarh, Chini Khorang.